Okay, as now I will show you how to see your logs from DJI Mavic Mini on the screen. So you go first, you should go to the Google. You should search for DJI Mavic Flight Logs Viewer, or just DJI Logs Viewer. It is also works. So you go to this site. Okay. From this site, you should upload your log file, and you will see the log for your DJI Mavic. Okay. Then you go to computer. From the computer, you should go to you should connect your phone or your tablet that you fly with the Mavic, with the DJI drone. And after you connect your phone or other device to the computer, you should open this from my computer and go in. You should search for DJI like this. DJI, you should go to the flight record, and this is the logs from the DJI flight record. So you pick one of them that you need to search. I pick if I want this, so I will just go back to the site that I entered before. You should select this, browse, and then you search for I have a Galaxy A7. I will go for it. DJI Go. Now you go to the flight record and you pick that you want it. So I pick this. Okay. I pick this, I open it, and then I upload log. You wait a little bit. You should wait. Okay. This is the log from your flight, from my flight. You can see here time, the flight mode, how many satellites, altitude, speed, and a distance, your battery level, and other things. Okay. You may go to the map. You may see what is your flight was here. What is the distance? And this is how you do it. Good luck.